Question, I sold just above the 29 high. Okay, I sold just above the 29 and added 2 points higher and added and exited as 46 was forming. Okay, could you comment on my trade? Many thanks. I also sold above the 29 high. I forgot how I did it. I think I sold the 29 high. Maybe I sold a tick or two above, and then I sold more 1 point higher. And then I get out my first entry, and I made 1 point. I was lucky, right? When we had the 3 bull bars, 31, I thought the best the bears were going to get was sideways for a few more bars. But because of the gap bar, 29, I would not have held that long. If I sold the 29 high, and then I see the 3 bull bars, 31, right? Just like if you're at a top and you see 3 bear bars, and you start thinking, uh-oh, the market's reversing. If you're at a bottom, like 28, and you see 3 bull bars, you got to be thinking, uh-oh, the market might be reversing. And you got to be careful if you see the 3 bull bars and stop hoping about the reversal back down. So for me, let's say I managed the trade differently. Let's say I sold at 29 high and looked to sell more 2 points higher. Well, first of all, I would not do that because the range was so small. I'm going for 1 point scalps. So scale-in trades are also 1 point. And if I'm disappointed, 29, 30, 31, sometimes I just decide, okay, that's not what I was expecting. I'm just going to try to get out break even on the entire trade and not worry about making a profit on the first entry. So for me, if I sell the 29 high and sell more 1 point higher, I'm going to try to get out at the 29 high. And if you see 32 behave like that, and let's say you do not get filled, and then it tries again to fill you 33, and you're saying, gosh, just needed to go 1 tick lower, and this time it's even 1 tick higher on 33. So at some point you got to say, I'm trapped, right? I tried to get out at the 29 high, 32, hit my limit order, did not fill me. Maybe I raised my limit order 1 tick, and then 33, hit my limit order, did not fill me. At that point, I'm getting out above 33. It made a couple attempts to bail me out, and it did not. It's probably going to go higher. I'll look to sell again higher. Had I sold the 29 high and added on. Okay. So you sell the 29 high, he added on 2 points higher, 1, 2. So he sold here, sold more here. It did not even come to the midpoint of the 2 entries. I tried to get there at 37, tried again, 40, 41, did not get there. And so the traders trying to get out break even on the entire trade, again, are trapped. So it keeps trapping the bulls. These small pullbacks are trapping the bulls. If you did not get out above 33, you got to get out above 41 or 42. The message I'm trying to give is if you are in a trade and you think that it might be getting bad and you're trying to get out with no loss or a minimum loss and just comes very close to letting you out but misses your order by a tick or two and then keeps going against you, and it does that a second time, a third time, you got to think, this is going up. I'm on the wrong side. I got to get out. I hope that makes sense. If you see a trade and it's bad and you're trying to get out break even, and the market comes close to letting you out but does not let you out, you are trapped. And if you're trapped, you got to get out, and you got to take the loss.